I'm today in front of me new iPad Air 2022 and I'll show you how to enable Hey Siri feature on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and here you'll see the Hey Siri switcher. Just to turn on Hey Siri you should click here once on the switcher, but first you should enable Siri, and to do that just to press the button for Siri switcher you should turn it on and enable Siri, and now you should click here once on the switcher and we should set up now Hey Siri. So now just click to continue and say Hey Siri, Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, what's the weather like today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. And now, as can you see, the Hey Siri feature is ready on your device. Now just click here to done, and when you'll say Hey Siri, you can see that the Hey Siri feature is activated on your iPad device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.